Have you ever wondered what happens when a beauty brand stops selling products and starts selling truly personalized experiences? One of Bangladesh's emerging beauty brands faced a major challenge. Their existing platform couldn't understand customer needs, couldn't provide personalized recommendations, and relied heavily on manual operations. As a result, customer engagement suffered and scaling the business became increasingly difficult. That's when Organization 23 stepped in.
Our team transformed the traditional e-commerce platform into a Shopify-powered beauty ecosystem centered around what we call beauty intelligence.
We developed an intelligent beauty profiling system that analyzes customer concerns and preferences through dynamic questionnaires, delivering personalized product recommendations instantly.
This project demonstrates how the right combination of Shopify, custom engineering, automation, and personalization can transform an online store into a powerful growth engine. If you're looking to create a highly personalized retail experience that drives customer loyalty and business growth, Organization 23 can make that vision a reality.